Hi, it's me, Angela. For today's vlog, I want to share you guys my experience during COVID-19. My experience during COVID-19 is started this March. Quezon City government is announced that Quezon City is under ECQ or Enhanced Community Quarantine, and which means there is an affected. My family and also me is nervous and afraid and panic also because we can concern or afraid for our safety. While I was walking, so many people wearing a mask, and I went to the grocery store. So many people, a lot of people is panic because running out of food. And I went out to buy food. Almost no one outside, and all the stores are closed. Almost all of us is just at home because my sister and my dad is lost their jobs, and we have banding each other. At first, the COVID-19 pandemic would be solved immediately, and over the time, many people are hungry and lost their jobs. And I was thinking of people who have nothing, how can they? What I did during quarantine, I tried to sell beauty products, and I look for someone to be seller, and I want to buy him the product. I am going to the market today to buy my ingredients because we will cook mahat today.
Sigaw, tendati. Dali lang pala to eh.
Finished product, maha.
Kaya kailangan nalagay.
I'm always do that because it's my project for NSTP. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And natin is yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likod naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yung first natin exercise is yung side plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kabala naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yung next naman natin is yung high knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Next ko naman gagawin is yung side leg rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,